Potato milk is the latest plant-based milk alternative to regular milk. It is excellent in your coffee and over breakfast cereal, or you can use it in your recipes. Unlike almond, oat, soy, or coconut milk, potato milk is still difficult to find in most supermarkets. But don't worry, in this video, I will show you how to make potato milk at home. To make creamy, smooth, and light sweet potato milk, you will need the following ingredients. 1/4 cup of raw blanched almonds to add a bit of nutty flavor to your potato milk. 2 to 4 tablespoons of honey or liquid stevia. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. 3 to 4 cups of cold water. 1 large white potato. Avoid russet potatoes as they can give a bitter flavor. Peel the potato using a sharp knife or a potato peeler. Cut the potato into 1-inch size cubes and rinse the cubes with cold water. Fill the pot with water, just enough that the potato cubes are submerged in water, and bring it to a boil over medium heat. Add a pinch of salt to the water. While the potatoes are boiling, put the almonds on a cutting board and chop them into smaller pieces. Once the potatoes are tender, remove them from heat and drain them. Now, put the boiled potatoes, chopped almonds, vanilla extract, and honey into the blender. Add water and blend all the ingredients for 1 to 2 minutes until smooth. Drain the mixture through the cheesecloth to capture all the small and large particles. Put the freshly made potato milk in the fridge and let it cool for an hour before using it on your cereal. For the full recipe and more information about potato milk, follow the link in the description below this video. Check it out now.